everyone, so today I decided to use this very famous Mayonnaise hair mask, and I've never tried this before. Like, I've heard so many good things about it, so I just want to try it out, whether it works or it doesn't work. So for that I have mixed mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and I'm just going to mix it here in front of you. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell good. It smells like... it smells bad. It smells really bad. So I'm just going to mix it, and also I'm going to add few drops of any hair oil. You can add any hair oil: olive oil, almond oil, castor oil. But I'm going to add this hair oil page sent me. So let's see how it works. I think I've taken a little too much. This is how the paste looks like. This is just a mixture of mayonnaise and yogurt for now, and I'm just going to mix it. I had no plans of shooting this video, but because I was trying it for the first time, so obviously my reaction would be like very genuine, and so I wanted to try it out on camera so you would know how it actually works. Because I've seen people with curly hair, people with straight hair, people with wavy hair, everybody trying this out. So I wanted to give it a shot. And now I am going to add a few drops of the hair oil I have. Okay, so this is the hair oil I have. This was not in a good condition, so I had to wrap it in this bag so it doesn't stain all my other stuff. So this is just going to be really candid, and if there is anything you don't like, the look of it on my hair, how I look while it's on my hair has been very dirty. I went to a dinner yesterday and I straightened them, but my hair hates me because right after one day my hair gets really oily and really greasy. So one of my friends, whose mother is a beautician and also a hair care specialist, she suggested me to use this oil on your hair whenever you do damage to your hair. This will kind of repair it. So my mask is almost ready, so I'm just going to quickly put it all over my hair. Okay, so I'm done. Let me tell you, the feeling is not good. It smells bad, and also something that thick and greasy on your hair does not give a good feeling. So what I'm doing is I'm just tying this bag on my hair so it doesn't stain the rest of my clothes. And I cannot find the other end. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it on for 15 minutes and then quickly take a shower. I'm not sure if this is going to stay or not. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep it on for 15 minutes and just wash my hair later on, and I'll give my honest and very candid review here on the camera so you people can see. Right now I just want to get this off my hair. This is so heavy for my hair because I have very thin hair naturally. The texture of my hair is really thin, so I'm not sure how long I will be able to keep it on. So let's see. So I have washed my face, but I'm really not sure about the results right now because they're clearly very wet. I'm going to let them air dry. I'm not going to blow dry them. I'm not going to straighten them because obviously the result will be not very genuine after that, and I'll let them just air dry and come back with my final result. So this is how the hair look like without any straightener, without any blow dry, and I've just let them air dry. They're not as glossy I was expecting it to be because everything included was like, should have added more gloss, and My hair looks a little fluffier than usual because I have really thin hair, though I was hoping to see the difference a little too much. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use it again or not, but maybe I'll try it one more time to see whether it suits my hair or not, because my hair texture might be different from the ones who have been using it for quite some time. So you can see and you can judge for yourself whether you want to do it or you don't want to do it. So that was my review about this. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.